Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you this week? Well, it's our trusty blending stump. We all love a good blending stump. Fabulous to use with charcoal, with pastel, with Conte. You can move that pigment around. You can blend colours through, create soft shapes. These are wonderful pieces of kit. But you work with your Conte, you work with your pastel, you get your charcoal painting out and you start to blend and disaster hits. You've got pink or red or whatever colour you've been using with your pastel blender on your charcoal. What do? We clean our blending stump, obviously. So how do we clean our blending stumps? Well, first, wipe them with some kitchen towel. Always have kitchen towel nearby. It's so great for everything. But that doesn't get all the pigment off. Now you can invest in some paddles that clean the blending stumps and also sharpen pastel, charcoal, the charcoal, willow charcoal, etc. But you know what's just as good and about a tenth of the price? Emery Boards. Pop down to your local drugstore, supermarket, wherever, buy a set of basic nail files, just Emery Boards, and you file the end of your blending stump. It takes away the pigment. If you're using these on charcoal pencils or compressed charcoal to really fine tune that point, just file it with a nail file. So much easier. Just final wipe off with some kitchen towel. And now there will be no marks on our paper, which is perfect. So keep your blending stumps in tip-top condition. Always check them before you start blending to make sure you have a clean end. And now you know how to clean them if you don't. If you're interested in doing a cat eye or on any of our other free workshops that we run every month or so, do click on the links below. It would be fabulous to see you there. Okay, see you next week. Bye.